There are some more changes and new information today as we continue to adjust to life during the coronavirus outbreak. Mayor de Blasio warned New York City residents to be prepared for a possible shelter-in-place order in the next 48 hours. Governor Cuomo shifts his emphasis to the healthcare system, his plan to secure enough hospital space and personnel to take care of the state's sick. And in New Jersey, Governor Murphy ordered all indoor malls to close indefinitely this evening. Here are the numbers for you. More than 1,500 coronavirus cases are now confirmed in New York State, the majority in New York City with 814. There are 380 in Westchester County. New Jersey now reporting 267 cases, and Connecticut 41. Let's begin with that warning from Mayor de Blasio this afternoon. We have Andrea Cline-Thomas live at City Hall. Andrea?
Well, you know, the mayor wants to take that drastic action because he says by the end of this week, he's expecting the number of cases to top 1,000. He says more needs to be done to keep people home, but it's complicated because so many people can't afford it.
I think New Yorkers should be prepared right now for the possibility of a shelter-in-place order.
As the coronavirus continues to spread, Mayor Bill de Blasio wants unprecedented measures to be taken to keep people from leaving home. But a shelter-in-place or widespread quarantine would have a crushing impact on the most vulnerable.
How do you ensure not only a consistent food supply, but it gets to everyone who needs it, regardless of ability to pay? We have to figure out that part of the equation. We're not there yet.
Earlier today, when asked, Governor Cuomo said, not so fast.
No city in the state can quarantine itself without state approval.
There's been overwhelming compliance at restaurants where today the chairs are stacked and they're only offering takeout and delivery. Schools and businesses have already temporarily closed. In some relief, starting tomorrow, alternate side parking will be suspended until March 24th.
So it's definitely a challenge to be able to work and look after the small kids in the same house. And we also expected to homeschool them.
But de Blasio says it's a race against time as the city approaches 1,000 cases. Through a new executive order, rideshare companies like Via, Uber, and Lyft can no longer allow customers going to different locations to share a ride. It's known as a pool option.
This does not disallow a couple that is together already and actually a real couple. I want to be clear with people, a married couple, for example, or people who live together, or a family that lives under the same roof. Those folks obviously have had deep exposure to each other.
Starting Thursday, 5,000 tests can be given a day, with the most critically ill given a priority. It's a drastic increase in capacity made possible because of a new partnership with BioReference. The mayor warns it will get worse before it gets better. And it's all hands on deck, from seeking more help from medical professionals to keeping people at home. It's uncharted territory, all in an effort to slow the spread of the coronavirus.
Now, the mayor has put a call out to all medical professionals, asking them to chip in and help out the city as it prepares and embarks on this crisis, rather. And at 6 p.m., the city is sending out widespread alerts to everyone's phone. Things are changing daily. They want to make sure that everyone is informed. Reporting live outside of City Hall, Andrea Cline-Thomas, CBS 2 News.